Do you know that a powerful blizzard raged overnight into Saturday in the Sierra Nevada? As the largest storm of the season continues its onslaught, a powerful blizzard swept through the Sierra Nevada, unleashing heavy snowfall and gusts reaching 100 miles per hour across northern California and Nevada. The ferocious storm buried several areas under an astonishing 10 feet of snow amidst perilous whiteout conditions, leaving over 49,000 customers without power. Residents received urgent advisories to seek shelter and avoid travel as California authorities decided to shut down 100 miles of Interstate 80 due to hazardous blowing snow, creating treacherous and potentially impossible driving conditions, as warned by the National Weather Service. Blizzard warnings remain in effect for the Sierra Nevada region through Sunday due to high avalanche danger. Thank you for watching.